What are you doing, mate? What are you doing? Don't just move left and right. Fucking idiot. Problem here in that there is literally no mobile signal. It's not even just like a phone signal. There's nothing. Oh. Alright folks, well I've just taken what I think might possibly turn out to be one of the worst orders I've ever taken in terms of payments to distance travelled, but I was just genuinely curious about it just because the order is going way out into the countryside, out to a place near Chatsworth House in the Peak District, and to a village called Ayham, which is famous for being the sort of the plague village where they sort of quarantined themselves to to avoid spreading the disease. And the order is paying £9. And even though it's going to cost me petrol money and it's definitely not going to be worth it, sometimes in life you just have to do things for the experience. I'm genuinely curious where this order is going. And actually how bad paying an order it can be. This is a Deliveroo order, who are normally not that bad, but so I think it was about 4 miles from where I am to the supermarket. I think it's a supermarket order. And then we're going to see how far is it from there out to where the order actually is. I suspect it's got to be 8 or 9 miles, something ridiculous like that. So we're looking at sort of 13 miles, possibly. What are you doing, mate? What are you doing? Don't just move left and right. Fucking idiot. Do apologise for the interruption and the bad language, but that was shocking driving on that taxi driver's part. No indication, weaving all over the road, bloody nightmare. All right, so yeah, so we'll see how far this is. I'm curious to see where it's going. The name of, because I can't say the name of the house where I'm going, but it's got a kind of a, you know, a very sort of stately home sounding name. So I am curious where I'm going to end up delivering this order. This just makes this job interesting, is the sheer randomness of it. So let's just see how far into the countryside they're going to take me. And of course, the other pain with doing an order like this is, yeah, I get all the way out there, but then I'm going to have to come all the way back. And I doubt I'll be picking up many orders on the way back. And it's bloody cold and windy as well. Jesus Christ. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that on the microphone. It is blowing. It is blowing. It's blowing up a gale today, so this is going to be interesting when I get out into the countryside in the completely exposed areas. See how my bike copes. See how I cope. This must be where I'm picking up the order from, and then let's first see how much I'm actually picking up. See how far we're going. Alright, it's only 9 items, so should be okay. Can I take that? Is that everything?
Yeah,
that's it, yeah. Alright, well, verdict's in. This is going to be travelling 8 miles to the customer. So when you add that together with the 4 miles to the supermarket, we're looking at a 12-mile order for £9. Oh, this is going to be fun. Or not. We'll see. Let's pick up some speed. And let's get out there to wherever the hell it is I'm going. Jesus Christ, the bike is wobbling all over the place. This was not a good idea. Whoa. 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 I mean, I'm not exaggerating. I can feel myself being pushed across the road by the wind. And this is a pretty heavy bike as well. God knows what it'd be like if it was on a sort of a smaller moped. Probably be off in the trees somewhere. Oh my lord. Oh my days, as my son would say. This is... Oh, we're into the Peak District now as well. You gotta hope they might give a tip for this. I mean, I suppose they don't know really what I've gone through to get there, but I mean, they must appreciate it's quite a distance to come out into the countryside and deliver. Oh, I've never experienced this on a bike before. I've never experienced it. Maybe I should speed up a bit. I can do 60. That might help combat some of the wind. Oh, I don't envy the cyclists. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Don't these people have local supermarkets they could go to? All right, we're now into Derbyshire as well. We're in a different county. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, we're getting there. Hopefully these trees will provide a bit of cover and a bit of protection from the wind. Why did I agree to do this? Why did I agree to do this? YouTube, that's why. Thought it'd make good content. I don't even have the excuse of being young to explain why I did this. Oh, for shite's sake! Oh, it's a nice rainbow. Probably shouldn't get distracted though. Looks like we can see the end of the rainbow. Maybe I should pop over there, try and get some cash. Might be paying more than this order. And it's raining. There we go. Let's add it all on. Let's see how many other ways we can make this a terrible order. Oh, feels like it's calming down a little bit now. I mean, it's all very pretty, but it doesn't ultimately make up for the fact that it's bloody cold, it's bloody windy, feels very dangerous, and I'm not getting paid very much for it. Alright, I'm not far now. Less than a mile. Stony Middleton. Oh, I've heard of Stony Middleton. It's supposed to be very pretty, Stony Middleton. Okay. Let's see where we go. This looks very nice. Private land. Ooh. Ooh. It's very rustic. Very rustic. I don't reckon. Alright, let's park here and see what we're doing. Oh, it's cold. Jesus Christ. This is fantastic. I've got no mobile phone signal here. Hello, how are you? They're absolutely fine. I think the big problem for me now is there's no mobile phone signal, so I can't. All right, I'll write that down because I may have to like move somewhere else and then talk to support or something to try and sort that out. Let me just make a note of that before I forget. No, it's not your fault. I mean, it's, you know. Yeah, I suppose so. Yeah, it's very windy, I tell you. Yeah. All right. Well, I'll see if I can sort this out. Okay, cheers. Yeah, my thing is, I don't normally let you complete it. You got to be right in front of the house. You can't like do it somewhere else because they kind of think you're scamming someone or something. So I'll go away, and then you might just see me lurking outside your house or something. Okay. Cheers. Well, she's a very nice lady, very understanding as well. But yeah, we do have a small problem here in that there is literally no mobile signal. It's not even just like a phone signal. There's nothing. So I don't know how to complete this order. I think I'm going to have to try to get back into civilization, contact delivery support, and then see if they can complete it for me. Place where we have a signal. I mean, there is a village this way. This Stony Middleton. Maybe if I go there, there might be a better signal. All right, let's see what's happening. Let's keep trying the Deliveroo app and see if it will actually reconnect at some point. The problem, of course, is that they won't let you complete an order unless you're actually sort of located close to the customer. So I think I'm going to have to contact support to get this one completed. This would be even worse if I couldn't even complete this order. Still, look at these cliffs here. It's impressive. This is impressive. No signal there. Alright, Stony Middleton doesn't seem to be particularly helpful. Alright, let's go the opposite direction, go back and see if we can find anything further back. Again, I'm not getting any kind of signal here. This was a really poor idea. It was a really poor idea to do this delivery. Curiosity got the better of me. Come on, there's got to be a signal somewhere. Right, come on, this looks a bit more like civilization. There's got to be something around here. Oh, we got a signal. Something. We got something. Let's try again. Let's see if I can get connected. Come on, it's a weak signal, but it's better than nothing. Nope, still wouldn't connect. All right. All right. All right, still not getting anything, so I'm going to have to drive back. Oh, look at this babbling brook. Look at this. It's pretty, isn't it? Don't know if it would justify not getting paid, but still. Where the hell am I going? Oh, Jesus Christ, just got hit in the face with a branch. That wasn't good. Keep seeing if I can get connected. Enjoy the scenery. And try not to get blown over by the wind. And you never know, I might even get paid for this order at some point. Alright, well, we'll see what happens when we get back into Sheffield. Because I'm still getting nothing in terms of a signal. I'm going to pull over here, see if I can get in touch with delivery support, and get paid, hopefully, because we finally do have a signal. Alright, this is pleasant though, isn't it, eh? Hello, can you hear me? Yeah, I've just completed an order, but it was out in the countryside outside Sheffield. So I gave the customer the package, but there was no phone signal out there, so I couldn't complete the order. So I've driven back towards Sheffield to try to get a phone signal, and now I've got one. But I'm about 3 or 4 miles from the customer, so... Okay, thank you. Cheers. Bye. Yeah, you too. Alright, well... Deliveroo sorted that out pretty quickly, I have to say. They completed it for me, so I've got my £9 flush in the back pocket, or at least flush in the bank at some point in the distant future. In total, this probably took me it's going to take me about an hour for the whole order, from receiving the order, getting to the supermarket, getting out to the customer, faffing about with all the shenanigans, sorting it out with customer support, and now getting back into Sheffield, where I could pick up any more orders. Probably an hour in total. Not sure it was worth it. Not sure it was worth it, but as with all things in life, you live and learn. Live and learn. Alright, we're back in civilization. Alright, well, I'll be back soon with more stuff. And wherever you are in the world, whatever you're doing, or whatever time of day or week it is, hope you have a good one. See you soon.